In this video, I will show you how to color grade in DaVinci Resolve for beginners. So in order to do that, we need to head over right here into our DaVinci Resolve application. Now, you just need to import the actual video that you want to add or edit. Now, once you're in there, you just need to set up your project settings. Click onto this gear icon right here. And then after that, we have in here the color management. So under this color management right here, we need to just keep it on the default settings right here. So I actually recommend you to just keep it at DaVinci YRGB option. Then head over and then save that right there. Once you have done that, next thing we need to do is just switch the color workspace. So our color workspace is this right here. You can click on it and then just wait for a few seconds for it to load. Now here's our color workspace. So what we can do is we can just head over and then adjust everything that we have right here. So we have in here this YRGB as well as this curves. So you can head over and then just use that or just head over and then use it according to your liking. So for example, if you adjust this curve, it will also adjust the YRGB options that we have right here. You can choose that as well as a soft clip. You can also add in here the curves as well as these options that you can see. So you can also adjust your color wheels, your qualifier as well as your nodes. So in order to use your nodes, you can just right click onto the node editor as well. So we have in here a lot of options. You can head over and see those warfers, qualifiers, windows, trackers, blur key, as well as some options that we have right here. So you can just head over and then use all of these things that we have right there. And you can use it in order to color grade your actual thing. So you can color slice it using these particular options. Once you're done, you can save it and then export this project. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.